Hey y'all, welcome back. My name is Sean. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be installing one of Sensationnel's What Lace wigs. This is the wig right here. This is the Morgan unit, and I got her in a number 4. And it says HD lace and Swiss lace. Pre-plucked, natural density, flawless hairline. So yeah, if y'all want to see how I install this wig, make sure y'all keep watching. Okay, y'all, so I am over this wig. Not the wig. The wig is actually super cute, y'all. I guess just the whole process of like the install and everything. I just got so frustrated trying to get this wig installed. It was crazy. Like I started sweating. I had to take my sweater off. Oh my goodness. It was just like I went in and put the stocking cap underneath, like y'all saw. But like it's not laying. At first it was laying like real seamless up here. But you could see my red hair, you know, in the scalp area. So I went back and put the stocking cap underneath, you know, did the ball cap method, and now it's like looking like this right here. And I'm just like, what the heck? Look, and like the stuff done ran down, so like all my makeup then started coming off. I had to like wipe my forehead like crazy. I just, That's why I just stick to quick wigs. I'm not gonna lie and say I'm not gonna wear this because this wig is fire. And I saw a couple other different styles that they had that I wanted to get as well. I'm probably about to take this off and try again. Because this little ashy part right here, this line right here, is not cute. And it's making me a little upset. It's really frustrating me that, like at first it just laid so perfectly. But you can see the doggone red hair bleeding through. This is about the best that it's gonna get right now. I did end up taking it off and I put the darker stocking cap back on and then put some foundation on that stocking cap and put it on. So I'm still not really liking the way the color is on the part. It does look a lot better this time around. The hairline is not as bulky and you can't see where the stocking cap is because I pushed it back a little bit. But I feel like you can see, you know, from, that's just my scalp right there, or my head, my hair. And then you see where the stocking cap is laying right there. So at this point, I don't know, you know, what I need to do with my hair being red underneath. It's gonna show through if I don't wear a stocking cap. The lighter stocking cap, you know, when I pulled it up, it looked crazy, but then when I pulled it back, it also looked crazy because it was a difference right here. And then the darker one, you know, it's still giving me that same thing. So I don't know. So, you know, if you're watching this, you wig slayer, you know, you can help me out. Drop me some comments in the comment box below and let me know what I should do for next time. Because, yeah, aside from the install, the wig is super cute though. Like, it's very natural. It's not like too heavy. It's not a lot of hair. With all the parting space, y'all see how far the part goes back. And then, you know, you can part it on whichever side you want to part it on, or however you want to part it. Of course, you know, you gotta comb it over or whatever. And then, you know, once you get your front looking right, or the way that you want it to, you know, you can pull it up and pull it back if you want to. And I just took, and I don't really do baby hairs, but I did just take like a little piece of hair right here, pull it out, and I just kind of swooped it back and brushed the rest of it back. So like, see it? And I just brushed it back with the rest of the hair. Same thing on this side. And like I said earlier, they have other styles that are just as cute that I would like to get and try those as well. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure that you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. As always, everything that I use in this video will be in the description box below. If you're still watching and you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you go ahead and do so. And don't forget to tap that notification bell so that you are notified first when I post new videos. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you guys in my next video.